This is a Montgomery Ward quadraphonic full 4-channel sound, discrete, as well as matrix for the 8-track, and then it has a stereo turntable, record changer, and an AM/FM stereo. I've gone through this, made sure all the lights were working, and all the controls were cleaned up. Stereo indicator lamp works. Tune's nice and smooth up and down the dial.
Sections in Arizona.
Now, I do have one quadraphonic tape that I was able to test the quadraphonic sound out of it, and it sounds great. I'm not going to use this tape for demonstration purposes because it'll get flagged for copyright. This tape doesn't have any copyright infringements on it. Now all the lights work except for one, and that would be the overmodulation light, warning light, the corner of each of these balance control here. Get it way up there. But the rear right light does not come on. All the other lights will come on when you approach maximum. All the track lights work. Got a new belt on the 8-track player, and I've cleaned and demagnetized the head and cap stand. I've got this test tape that's short, and it should change the track pretty quickly here automatically. Now the dust cover, I'm not even sure if it's the original dust cover. It does fit, it just sets on top. It's got typical scratches, but it's not cracked or chipped. Now I've gone through the BSR record changer and cleaned out all the old grease and re-lubricated all the moving parts. And that includes the motor bearings and all the controls. And you can stack 4 or 5 records up here. I've got 2 stacked up here now. And this deck features a Q lift control, and of course the end of play automatic return works fine.